So it's raining in Delhi, and you can see the desi rose blooming perfectly, and you can see the size of the rose plant. And here is the cutting which I grew 2 months back. It is ready to get a new pot, but not at my terrace. I'm going to give it to my friend who is about to come today, because he asked for it, the very first reason. And second, I do not have much place left for the rose plants. I already have somewhere around 60 to 65 rose plants. This terrace is filled with plants. That place, which was not supposed to be a gardening spot, but it turned out to be that one. And see the little lotus blooming. Oh god, I love this. This is white lotus, and if I could recall the name was yellow or pink. And here is blood drop lotus. It is not blooming, it is a big size lotus, so it's taking the time. You can see I don't know about this wild बेल, और मैं ये रिमूव कर दूंगा विद इन फ्यू डेज, क्योंकि इसका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. इट इज़ जस्ट स्प्रेडिंग इट्स विंग अराउंड एवरीवेयर. कुछ दिनों में हटा दूंगा इसे. सो दिस वॉज माई क्विक गार्डन रिव्यू.